Welcome to Ratio's Recipe Project Week. I'm Miss Gross.
And I'm Miss Woods.
And we're going to walk you through the project for this week. So let's get started. So each day you're going to receive a new slide. Your slide is going to be linked to the day so that you know what to work on each day. And also attached to each day, you will have a video from us going over what to do. So Monday, September 21st, your assignment is to choose your recipe for your recipe project. You want to insert the recipe into the slide, in the recipe card to the right, type your recipe name in here, and then complete Monday's exit slip. So it might take you a little bit to find your recipe. You can go through if you've got a recipe box, or if you have any magazines with recipes in it, or any cookbooks, you can find pictures of your recipes, and you can take a picture of it and insert it in, or you can Google it. Find a recipe that you like. Miss Woods and I are getting excited for the fall, and so we found a recipe for gingerbread cake that looked really good. The one requirement that we have is your recipe must have fractions, quite a bit of fractions. So if you'll notice on this gingerbread cake, we've got 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, lots of fractions here. So this is a good one, and this is the one we're going to use. So if you find yours on Google, you can copy it. Control-C copies and Control-V paste if you're on a Chromebook, or you can right-click and copy it if you're on a regular laptop. So you can copy it, or you can take a picture of it and then paste it in. Control-V will paste it in, and then you're going to have to resize it. So you're going to draw it, bring it down. Now, Miss Woods is going to go over how to crop the image. Let's say you're taking a picture and you need to crop the image. So she's going to show you how to do that.
All right, so all you have to do is click on your picture that you want to crop. You'll go up here. You'll see this little thing up here that says crop image. And then all you have to do is take where it's got the black arrows on the corners, and you can crop it. I cropped it a little too much, but you can crop it however much you want. Ours, we didn't really need to crop it, but I just wanted to kind of show you in case you happen to take a screenshot of one or something along those lines. So let me get that little back down. Okay, and then you just press the enter button, and then you can move it around.
Awesome, thank you. And then you're going to type your recipe name in here. So ours is gingerbread cake. I can't wait to make this. This will be fun. Who wants to try our recipe? So then after you hit that, then you're going to complete Monday's exit slip. There's not a whole lot to do today. Each day you're going to have a little bit more to do, but by the end of the week, the finished product is going to be good. And you have an opportunity to cook your food. So think about something that you would like to make. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I'm excited for this project. You all have a great day.
Bye, guys.